Our story begins in Orgiano, a small village where nature meets tradition and art. Located not far from Venice. It was the 1920 when the Ferraro family set a workshop aimed at producing handmade footwear. There were no industries and no mass production at that time, so the local cobbler was a real cornerstone for the population. As time passes, that studio has become a shoe factory, and the brand Susimoda is now known and appreciated throughout the whole Italian peninsula as one of the leading producers of women made in Italy comfort shoes. We have a solid faith in high quality products, and we believe in strong technical knowledge, in restless research for what feet feel comfortable, and in a dynamic mix between unique artistry and cutting-edge technologies. Our permanent target is to create with passion comfortable footwear with the aim to satisfy demanding women looking for smart, high quality and fashionable solutions. We are now at the 4th generation, and as our story explains, we benefit from decades of experience in the shoemaking, and we do not intend to lose that knowledge. We will never forget where we come from, but at the same time, we will never stop looking for ways to further improve our creations.